Okay, now we're gonna open one of the configuration files that we need to work on, and let's clear this first. vim etc postfix main.cf. Okay, and we're gonna search for inet underscore interfaces. Okay, and we're gonna look for all the other. Okay, so this one is called localhost. This is the one that we're gonna change. So it's initially you might find it commented out in your system, so just uncomment it so it will look like this, inet underscore interfaces, because if it's commented out it's not going to be read. And then localhost, and we'll just leave it at localhost. And the next one we're going to look for is my destination. Okay, and let's see the line that we need to comment here. My destination is this one right here. So this is also probably commented out in your system, so just uncomment it, and then it should say my host name, and then localhost, my domain, then localhost. Okay, and then we're going to add quite a few new lines. We'll go all the way to the end of the system, and then I'm going to hit O to create a new line, and I'm going to type in some more changes that we're going to make to the system. So my host name is going to be mail.linuxgig.com. Then my domain is going to be linuxgig.com. My origin is going to be $, my domain. And home mailbox is going to be mail slash my networks. And for this we're going to put the loopback address, which is 127.0.0.0/8. Then inet interfaces equals all. Then my destination equals $, my host name, localhost dot $, my domain, localhost, my domain. Okay, then smtpd underscore sasl underscore type equals dovecot. Then smtpd underscore sasl underscore path equals private auth. smtpd underscore SASL underscore local underscore domain, and just leave it at equal. SMTPD underscore SASL underscore security underscore options equals no anonymous, no ANONYMOUS, non-anonymous. Then broken underscore SASL underscore auth underscore clients equals yes. Then SMTPD underscore SASL underscore auth underscore enable equals yes. Then SMTPD underscore recipient, PIENT, recipient underscore restrictions equals permit underscore SASL underscore authenticated permit my networks. SMTP TLS underscore security underscore level equals may. SMTPD underscore TLS underscore security underscore level equals may. SMTP underscore TLS underscore note underscore start TLS underscore offer equals yes. SMTPD underscore TLS underscore note start TLS underscore offer equals yes. Okay, just wanted to make sure because there is a good chance, in a situation like this you can make a typo, so I just wanted to make sure that I haven't done that. Okay, SMTPD underscore TLS underscore log level equals 1. SMTPD underscore TLS underscore key underscore file equals etc postfix SSL server dot key SMTPD underscore TLS underscore cert underscore file equals etc postfix SSL server dot crt SMTPD underscore TLS underscore received underscore header equals yes. SMTPD TLS underscore session underscore cache underscore timeout equals 3600 S, and the last line is TLS underscore, sorry, SMTPD underscore TLS underscore random underscore source equals dev : /dev/urandom.